the Joe Praag after excavation recording.
Okay, kids, I'll see you later.
You got some joints here that are suspect. This one really concerns me here. You can actually see mud coming in right here. I would probably recommend a sleeve. And if you pay attention to the top of the pipe, there's definitely something going on here. Oh, well. Might be worthwhile on this one, Luke, to maybe do a down shot towards the street. You can see more soil getting in at that point, which is not a good sign. There's the main right there. You can see that right there as well. I'm going to let Lucas review this, but before we could not get all the way out, so we couldn't see everything. Now you can see it. I'm going to let you see it as well. Going towards the house we know is okay, but this part is, I'm not sure. I'll let you look at it and I'll let Lucas review it and see what he thinks. Like when I was originally here, I mean, I won't push you. I think you guys need to talk about it. And let me see if I can get this in the shade and I can show you.